Folks, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be videoing one of our jobs we've got in today. So it's a Mercedes CLK, I think I'll show you it now anyway. It's in for a full wash and decon, removing iron and tar, and then we're going to give it a stage 1 polish just to enhance the gloss, remove like swirls and light scratches like that. And then we'll be putting a wax on it. The customer was debating to go for a ceramic coating or not, but just wants to go for a wax for now. Give that protection for winter, and interior valet and an engine bay detail as well. So yeah, we'll get straight into that and I'll show you the process of that. As you can see here, this Mark 6 Fiesta ST's in. This got a maintenance valet. It's already been deep cleaned, so it gets maintained by us as well. So maintenance valet, and the calipers are going bright yellow. So yeah, so we'll be kind of doing that in between the wash stages, and then we'll get that out and then bring the Mercedes in and just get on with that. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So here we have it. Here is a Mercedes CLK AMG. So yeah, looks not bad. There's a few where is it? There's a few bits in the paint, scratches and that we need to look at. So yeah, oh yeah, I know where it is now. So I've got this one here, and this one, but that's too deep. That's right in past the primer. So yeah, I'll show you what we're using. 3 buckets, 1 wheels, all-purpose cleaner, wheel cleaner, Cartec. Everything that I use will be in the link below. The brushes, easy carcare, that's easy carcare, auto finesse tyre brush, and just other brushes and stuff. Pump spray, citrus spray wash, along with the snow foam. That's acid, just in case we need to use on the wheels. And yeah, 2 buckets there. So this is the wash shampoo that I use. Gtechniq, it's pretty good, and I use the Autobrite Mega Foam for the snow foam. So yeah. Right, so with that being all the 4 wheels done, hope you can see that. Now we're just going to put iron fallout remover onto the wheels, and then what I do is put fallout remover on the wheels. I'll just turn the camera around. So fallout remover on the wheels, and then I put citrus pre-wash on the lower parts of the body, and then snow foam over that, and let it duel. edges done, and also we went in all the grooves with a wee detailing brush, making sure that there's no moss between the door handles and stuff as well. Also, if you went deep in as well, move that wing mirror, go in gaps, around there, under there. So yeah, anyway, so now we're going into the decontamination, starting off with a fallout remover. I know there's a lot of judgmental stuff about this. What one do you do first? Fallout or tar, but I see it as you're touching the paintwork with tar remover, so may as well just get rid of the iron fallout first. So yeah. Also, people don't forget about the flap. No one likes a dirty flap. So, clean flap, door jambs cleaned. Show you. Obviously, I just need power washed away. Under there, just needs power wash as well, removing all that grime. And iron fallout is power washed off, so now just get on with the tar removal. Making sure you're getting in that archway with the tar removal. You can see it all running. So yeah, and a few spots there. So that's it dueling, and then you just wipe it with a cloth. So that's the tar removed. Now we just want the clay bar time. Okay, so the clay bar treatment is done. Now we just walked into the cupboard. Now we just need to dry the car off. So customers never realise how much actually goes into this. So they will have 3 buckets, all the brushes, Snowfoam ones, hump spray, citrus. So there's like 1 product, 2 all-purpose cleaner, wheel cleaner, no, that's wheel cleaner, that's fallout remover, acid just in case, and then obviously tar removal as well. So yeah, a lot can go into getting a clean car properly. Anyway, so yeah, we've just got into the drying stage, which I've actually left my drying cloths in my car. So I'll go and get them and yeah, dry the car off and get it inside, and then get this wagon out. I'll obviously get the wheels back on it, but yeah. Bag full of cloths. That's clean cloths, brand new cloths, dirty cloths. You can never have enough cloths, and this is the drying towel that we use. So car's near enough dried, just get it inside and get the blowgun into all the gaps, make sure there's no water. First of all, get the wheels on this. Right folks, so it's actually the day after. I'm not sure what the last clip will be, but we've got a full side of the Mercedes polished. Currently using the yellow pad, this is just the wee one, and the fine cut Koch came. It is somewhere. Where is that? Oh, 2 seconds. Yeah, so Koch came, fine cut, so it's actually doing it well for just a kind of hands single stage, removing the swirls or minor swirls. Oh, removing the swirls and minor scratches, sorry. So yeah, there's a few bits we still need to look at. So one side done, one side of the roof done as well, and we've went up. I'll show you. So went up like the pillar, with the wee nano as well, round the wing mirror. So yeah, I'll get lights on it in a minute and I'll show you. So today, you can see a couple of marks on the bonnet. So gonna get the bonnet done. Well, I'm home today to finish this car actually, to be fair. So yeah, We're going to go into the bonnet and then the roof, and we'll see what happens. You can see you've still got to clean the glass and everything, obviously, and it's also getting an interior valet. So yeah, so we'll carry on with that, and I'll just show you some clips. Hi folks, so kind of messed up this video, just got so busy with other things and I ended up just carrying on with the car and forgot to film. So I'm not sure how much clips is in this video, but if you're interested in this kind of thing, let me know in the comments below, and I'll sure to make a lot more anyway. So yeah, I'll turn the camera around and just show you what I've done to this Mercedes. Right, so here we have it, it's Mercedes CLK. Excuse the tyres, I've still got to address them. What we use is tyre from Gyeon, and the glass, we cleaned that and it's protected with carbon collective ceramics. What else? We've kind of went over it with a single stage, the full paintwork, making that paint kind of pop. I know it's silver, but you can still make silver glow. So yep, bringing it to shine in that silver, enhancing the, and just basically enhancing the paint. Trying to think of what else. And then I went over the full paintwork with just a ceramics wax. So it isn't a ceramic coating or anything like that, it's just a wax. So yeah, it's came out nicely, to be fair. Everything I've used will be linking below. And yeah, so that'll be off this video. Also, we've done an engine bay clean as well, and interior. So yeah, so get outside, dress tires, and take a few photos. And our lovely client will be picking up this tonight. So yeah, so thanks for watching, people. Apologise for this video kind of being off, and it's a bit of a mix up and everywhere. Just one of the days. Anyway, so make sure you follow my Instagram, it'll be a link in bio, and subscribe. Trying to reach 250 by the end of the year, so we've got a month. So 100 subs to go, I'm sure. We're at 150 so far, which is unreal. So yeah, thank you very much, and like, comment and subscribe. Bye.